Hey everyone, so today in this video I will compare Nokia X6 slow motion and Xiaomi Mi6X slow motion. This is a normal video of Nokia X6. You can see the colors and everything is so good, but when I do the slow motion video, the result is really shocking. I'm shocked about the performance of Nokia X6. So let's begin the video.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So here is our slow motion picture. Left side is Nokia X6 and right side is Xiaomi 6X. So you can see the color of Nokia X6 is not so good, it's dull, and Mi 6S is so bright. The video of Xiaomi 6X is so good as compared to Nokia X6. I don't know, in the normal video the colors are good, but in slow motion Nokia X6 are really bad. So in this comparison, again Xiaomi Mi 6X win. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will do more comparison of both phone soon.